Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trusts. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptography. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Algorand. Algorand, Ethereum Classic, a SHA Infinity price analysis. 02 March. Although Algorand saw impressive gains from its February lows, it walked on thin ice. A sustained close below its pattern could brace the alt for a 79-cent retest. Further, Ethereum Classic witnessed a bullish flip on its EMA ribbons. Their bulls now had to defend the 20 EMA to prevent a fallout. Also, SHA Infinity managed to rise above its SMAs, while its RSI reversed from the overbought mark. Oki starred Algorand, ALGO, after struggling to topple the $1.8 resistance. The bulls lost their thrust after the heightened sell-offs over the last 2 months. Thus, the alt lost nearly 61.5% of its value from 5 January and pulled back towards its 7-month low on 24 February. Since then, ALGO buyers have made promising recovery efforts in the last week. As a result, the alt was up by 27% from the 68-cent support. Meanwhile, the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance still stood sturdy. At press time, ALGO traded at $0.8347. The RSI witnessed an up-channel breakdown in the last few hours. This break should find range support near the 45 to 47 point before a committal move. Looking at the MACD, it becomes evident that the bullish momentum is taking a back seat. The next Ethereum Classic, ETC, after picking itself up from the $21 mark of its January lows, ETC has managed to find a traversing range in the $24-$30 zone for the past 2 weeks. After recently testing its floor, the alt has been steeply upturned in a rising wedge, white, on its 4-hour chart. Consequently, the bulls finally flipped the EMA ribbons in their favor after a nearly 28% ROI in just the last 6 days. From here on, the 20 EMA would be a vital support for the buyers to defend for preventing a pattern breakout. At press time, ETC was trading at $29.85. The RSI exhibited a bullish inclination after a week-long recovery. Now, it aimed to test the 52 to 56 range before a possible revival in the near term. Next, SHA Infinity, Axis. As the bears took over from the $65 level, Axis lost crucial price points in the last 20 days. The alt lost over 40% of its value since 7 February, as it headed south to touch its 6-month low on 24 February. Due to this, it fell below its 20 to 50 to 200 SMA while retesting the $42 support. Since the buyers were keen on keeping this support intact, the alt saw grew by over 30% in the last 5 days. Thus, rising above its moving averages while the 20 SMA, red, jumped above 50 SMA, gray. From here, any retracements would find support at the $54 level, followed by the 20 SMA. At press time, Axis traded at $55.496. The RSI saw a sharp plunge from the overbought mark and headed towards its equilibrium, thus revealing a slightly decreasing bearish figure. The next news: Algorand Foundation introduces $10 million grant program to deliver Ethereum compatibility. The Algorand Foundation is setting up a $10 million super grant to be rewarded among teams that accelerate the work needed to deliver Ethereum at the United States dollar virtual machine (EVM) compatibility, according to a release dated February 17. Algorand Supergrant is a grant program that targets experienced research and development teams to research or build secure solutions for the Algorand ecosystem. And EVM compatibility refers to decentralized applications that are built on Ether-compatible blockchains. Research and developer teams will be expected to submit their proposals no later than March 18, the release noted. Multiple teams may be chosen, with the reward being split among the competing teams. Furthermore, Algorand believes in a multi-chain world, and this supergrant will move us towards that inevitability, said Algorand Foundation CEO Stacy Warden. Running smart contracts written for Ethereum on Algorand eliminates the barriers for popular DeFi protocols and NFT projects to serve multiple chains, while significantly decreasing the costs to those who participate, she added. Subsequently, another $10 million will go to projects that can build strong developer tools for Algorand, such as compilers, Algorand Foundation CEO Stacy Warden told CoinDesk in an interview Thursday. Meanwhile, Algorand Foundation's native digital token, Algorand, ALGO United States $-1.1%, is off slightly in the past 24 hours, as Bitcoin, BTC United States $-1.5%, and Ethereum, at the United States $-3.3%, drift lower. Previously, December 30, 2021, Algorand said it will distribute 2 ALGO to drive DeFi adoption. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest Algorand, ALGO, price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Algorand Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Algorand will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. Algorand Price Forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, Algorand, ALGO, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Algorand's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. ALGO Rate Prediction 2024. The value of Algorand will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. ALGO Price Prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Algorand will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ALGO is expected to peak at $5.88. The minimum bet could rise to $5.14 if the market turns bullish. ALGO Price Forecast 2027. For a long-term forecast of the Algorand price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options.